Although King of App has a large number of functionalities and this number continues to increase, there will be occasions when the integration of third-party services has not yet been carried out by means of a module of its own. Fortunately, many platforms allow you to insert your elements, configured and brought them directly from your websites. Since King of App bases its services on web language, we have enabled the option that any user can insert this type of content here. In the following chapters, we will see some examples of elements that we can integrate in our platform. To do this, we will visit the website from which we want to extract the content bypassing the registration process. We will create an insertable content in our web and we will obtain the code that we will introduce in the JavaScript block for our HTML module. Indeed, one of the new options provided by this module is the possibility of inserting fragments of code in this language, in order to show it on our website. Before entering to define each one of the following chapters of the course, let's leave the module prepared to begin to make the different insertions. As we have done other times, we will access to the window modules and add modules. Search for HTML and add this one. Once in our modules window, we will have it ready to add the code fragment here, in the field called JavaScript Editor. Although we will ignore it in the following videos, we will add each one of them to the main menu, as much in the same modules as in the configuration of the Polymer menu.